How do fence laws handle spite fences? Imagine building a fence just to annoy your neighbor. Sounds like a plot from a sitcom, but in real life, laws do address this kind of behavior. Spite fences are fences or structures built mainly to bother neighbors, not for privacy or safety. These fences are usually taller than the legal limit and are meant to block views, light, or air, just to cause irritation. Most states have rules that set a maximum height for fences, often between 5 and 10 feet. If someone builds a fence taller than the allowed height and it's clear they did it to annoy, it can be considered a private nuisance. For example, California law bans fences over 10 feet that are built maliciously to bother neighbors. Massachusetts and Wisconsin set the limit at 6 feet, while New Hampshire's is 5 feet. Some states, like Minnesota and Connecticut, go further and include any structure built with malicious intent, not just fences. Proving a fence is a spite fence can be tricky because it's about showing malicious intent. If a neighbor plants a row of trees just to block your view, courts can see that as a spite fence if it's done to annoy. The key is demonstrating that the fence or structure was built mainly to cause harm, not for practical reasons like privacy or safety. When courts find a fence is a spite fence, they can order it to be taken down, lowered, or even requiring the builder to pay damages. The goal is to protect property owners from neighbors who try to use fences as weapons to harass. These laws show how property disputes can turn into bizarre battles over walls and hedges. Some of the most unusual cases involve fences so tall or so carefully placed that they seem designed solely to block views or sunlight. In these cases, fences become tools of neighborly spite, leading to legal fights that can last 4 years. These laws reflected how something as simple as a fence can create ongoing neighborhood tension and legal drama.